Hello student, topic number 2nd, account of not for profit concern on lecture number 6. Last lecture we had seen first to 7th additional informations means adjustment. Now in this lecture we will see next adjustments. Okay. Creation of specific fund out of donations. We can see here 7, 8, 9, 10. One minute. Here 7, 8, 9, 10 is also special items, and here also same 1, 2, here 8 and 7. Okay, I will explain it. Donation means gift given by the either the name members of any outsider to concern. Donation is one of the important source of income for not for profit concern. Out of donation received, such concern may create special fund, or the amount of donation may be utilized as per the condition given by the donor for the utilization of amount donated. Accounting to the nature of donations, they are classified into the 2 points: general donations and specific donations. Then stock of stationery. Stationery is an usual items of expenditure to all types of concern. It is a consumable items. Usually there is a opening stock of stationery at the beginning of the year and closing stock of stationery at the end of the year. During the year, some stationery is purchased with all the informations. It is necessary to calculate how much amount of stationery is consumed during the year. Such amount is debited to income and expenditure account. It may be calculated. Okay, you can see down is sums. Stock stationery consumed, opening stock of stationery plus purchase of stationery during the year plus outstanding stationery less closing stock of stationery is equal to stationery consumed. This is the sum of stock of stationery. स्टॉक ऑफ स्टेशनरी आता त्या ठिकाणी आपण काय केलेलं होतं, प्रॉफिट कन्सर्नला जो ओपनिंग स्टॉक घेतलेला होता आणि क्लोजिंग स्टॉक घेतलेला आहे ते वेगळं काही नसतं, तेच असतं सगळं. ओपनिंग स्टॉक आणि क्लोजिंग स्टॉक. ओपनिंग स्टॉकमध्ये ॲड काय केलेलं तर परचेस काय केलेलं असेल, वेजेस असेल, म्हणजेच डायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस ॲड केलेले, डायरेक्ट इन्कम जे आहे ते लेस केलेलं होतं आणि क्लोजिंग स्टॉक लेस केलं. मग या ठिकाणी डायरेक्ट एक्सपेन्सेस आहेत ते ॲड करतो आहे. ओपनिंग स्टॉक, परचेस ऑफ स्टेशनरी, स्टेशनरीसाठी जर आपण परचेस केलेला असेल तर, स्टेशनरीसाठी आउटस्टँडिंग असेल तर तेही करणार आणि क्लोजिंग स्टॉक असेल तर तो लेस करणार, म्हणजे स्टेशनरी कंझ्युम किती आहे ते आपल्याला मिळते या मेथडने. देन ओपनिंग बॅलन्स ऑफ असेट्स अँड लायबिलिटीज. ओपनिंग बॅलन्स शीट ॲट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ इयर means the accounting year, the account of assets and liabilities show balances. With this opening balance sheet is prepared. While preparing final account of current year, this opening balance are to be considered. Means opening cash balance and bank balance are not to be taken into balance sheet prepared at the end of current year. This balance represent previous year closing balance. The closing balance of cash account and bank account as shown in the receipt and payment account are to be taken on assets of the balance sheet, and the opening balance of fixed assets like furniture, machinery, equipment, books, etc. should be taken on asset side of the balance sheet. You know very well. And opening balance of current assets, for example, sundry debtors, stock of stationery, outstanding subscription, etc., are not to be taken in current year balance sheet. The closing balance of such assets are to be taken on asset side of balance sheet. Some adjustments. First, if amount of liabilities has increased during the current year, such additional amount is to be added in the opening balance. But if amount is liability has decreased during the year, means current year, such amount is to be subtracted, means deducted from the opening balances. Okay. And next, important terms, entrance fees. I think last lecture we had seen already entrance fees, subscriptions. Okay, if you want, you go and watch. Then legacies. Legacies means a gift given by a person to the concern as per the will of such person. Such gift may be an amount or any other items of value. After the death of such person, his successor or legal representative give his gift to the concern. Legacy is a non-recurring income. It is treated as capital income and added in capital fund also. However, legacies may be for subscription or a specific purpose. The accounting treatment in such case depends on the instruction to term and condition mentioned in the will. Then life membership fees. Life membership fees is the fees paid by a person who want to become a member of the concern for his whole life, पूर्ण लाईफसाठी. Instead of paying periodical subscription, annual, quarterly or monthly, etc., some person prefer to pay lump sum amount of subscription to the concern once for all. Life membership fees is a non-recurring income. It is stated as capital income and added in capital fund. However, instead of taking full amount of life membership fees to capital fund, some concern prefer to take some part of it to capital fund, and the balance sheet is treated as revenue income, which is shown on the income side of income and expenditure account. It depends on the instruction given in the problem. Is absence of any specific instruction, the whole account of life membership fees may be added in capital fund. Next, sale of old assets means scrap, newspapers, other assets, etc. Fifth and sixth commonly. Every person has to acquire some fixed assets for running its activities smoothly. Out of these assets, certain assets become obsolete or unless for the concern and they are disposed of. Amount raised from selling such assets is a capital receipt. It is should be credited to concern assets account. But it there is a profit on sale of assets, such amount of profit should be credited to income and expenditure account. If there is loss on sale of the assets, such amount is loss should be debited to income and expenditure account. The sales proceed to scrap of old newspapers is treated as revenue income and it is credited to income and expenditure account. through the amount realized from sale of scrap and old newspaper is comparatively small. It is not neglectable. In certain concern like public library, the proceed from sale of scrap and sale of old newspaper may be considered. Therefore, it proper accounting is necessary. Then specific donations. Specific donations means donation are sometimes used for specific purpose. The donor specific the purpose for utilize the amount donated by him. For example, donation for building fund, donation for prize fund, donation for sport equipment or tournaments, etc. Such donations are shown under the respective heads of fund account on the liability side of balance sheets. Then general donations. General donations are sometimes given without any condition regarding their utilization. Hence, such donations are called general donations. General donations are shown as income and expenditure account. However, its accounting treatment may be differ accounting to instruction given in the problem. Then number endowment fund. It is fund created out of specific amount unmarked, gifted or donated. The income of this fund is to be used for a specific purpose, for example, prize fund, etc. The purpose of the donor is to provide a permanent source of income to the concern for a specific purpose. It show on liability side of the balance sheet only. You must be read it.